MISUMI is introducing a new free service of component procurement to accelerate the manufacturing process. Conventional parts procurement takes time, but with meviy, you simply upload your 3D model and receive a quotation with a price and delivery time in just a few clicks. Instead of several days, it only takes a few minutes until the quote is generated and the component can be ordered. Once the order is placed, the processing data is generated automatically from the 3D file uploaded in meviy. It's directly submitted for processing. The three biggest advantages of meviy are: no need for 2D drawings anymore, instant quotation with price and delivery time, short delivery time. meviy offers the service for factory automation mechanical components. Most parts are covered by sheet metal components or machined plates. Hole types and tolerances can be specified per user preference. From design and production to maintenance, a wide range of customers are utilizing this service. meviy is a free online service provided by MISUMI which can be used 24/7. There is no need to download and install a software. You can easily log in online with your MISUMI account. CAD and corporate users can both use the service free of charge. With a MISUMI corporate account, you can even place orders. The world's manufacturing industry is rapidly changing. Use meviy's innovative service to improve your design and production operations. Everything from quotation to production is more efficient. This dramatically improves productivity for both design and manufacturing. meviy's process can be applied to all kinds of manufacturing using 3D design data. Don't waste time and effort with component procurement and start right away with meviy.